Hey guys, Zay here, doing a Minecraft video on Hunger Games, not Hunger Games, what am I talking about? I'm doing a Minecraft video on Skywars. It's a little bit different than the other time. So here, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. It's a little bit different than the other time that I did it. It's a lot different actually. Oh, yes, give me that. Oh, yeah. So yeah, you get stuff like this from the chests. It's different for everybody. Someone might have got like full diamond armor or something. So yeah. I'm just gonna get some wood here. Oh, yeah, how do you guys like that intro? The intro. Leaderboard. Oh, that's -4 points. Look at those chests. Look at those chests. I need those chests. Just gonna make this sword, and then I'm just gonna rush to those chests because they seem very, very cute. I don't know. Okay, now I'm gonna start going over there, I guess. Oh crap, there's a guy that's really close. Crap, he's on it. I need to get those people because I have a wood sword. Oh crap. So I guess I'm not gonna get that stuff. These trees are really messed up. They're all pink. God, someone has a bow. Look at the bow and that's it. Fighting an iron pick. Dude. God, it's OP stuff. Will I get him? Will I get him? Will I get him? Did I get him? Yeah, I got him. Hope you guys enjoyed. So see ya.